No, she love to hit my phone, especially when she be alone. No, she know I'm in my zone. No, she love to hit my phone. Let it hit me, talk to her, try and tell her what nigga been on. Hit my phone, gotta go. Girl, let it hit my phone, especially when I'm in my zone. Hanging up, gotta go.
What's up, girlfriends? I am back again for another review. I have been super under the weather for the past week and I didn't get to put out any videos last week, so I am pretty busy this weekend just trying to record and catch up. So I'm going to be reviewing a gel that I've been seeing all over the place. I've been seeing so many other natural hair influencers reviewing this gel, and I just happened to stumble across it when I was in the grocery store, and they had it for the low. They had it for like $2.99 at the grocery store. So, you know, I had to cop and create a video for you guys. So the gel I'm talking about is the WetLine Xtreme Gel. So I know you guys have seen this and you might have already seen a review on it, but I'm going to try it out on my own curls and see how it works. I'm going to see if I like it better than the olive oil eco styler gel, or if I like this more. And that's actually a good video. I'm actually going to do a WetLine Xtreme versus olive oil eco styler video coming up soon, but today I am going to do a wash and go using the WetLine Xtreme Gel. Sorry, my nails are just extremely ratchet, so disregard. But yeah, so what I'm going to be using with this gel is Kaleidoscope Milkshake, which is the leave-in a leave-in detangler spray. So I'll be spraying this and then I'll be applying my gel. So let's jump right into this video. So right now my hair is completely washed. I was sick, so I didn't want to wet my hair or anything like that. So I finally got to wash, deep condition, and yeah, my hair's just been in the bun for like a week and a half. So I'm ready to unleash the curls and get them popping.
Hoping you understand that I'm selfish with my time, I need a minute. When you love to hit my phone, cause I hear a ringtone in the background, it's going. Oh, you used to love me, yeah, I know. I would take a flight out there and we'll go. Baby, you know my time ain't great.
Alright, so let me open this gel and see what it smells like. What's the consistency? All of that. How thick is it? Ooh, this smells good. Oh, this smells really good. Alright, so it's pretty thick. It's almost like the same as Eco Styler, the consistency. It is a little bit more watery though. Like a little more jelly-like than Eco Styler. Alright, so I'm going to apply my leave-in detangler spray. Because you guys know that when I use gels, I never just use the gel. I have to have some type of leave-in or some type of something else on my hair besides just gel. Because gel isn't moisturizing, so you have to add moisture some way. So yes, that's why I'm using this Kaleidoscope Milkshake. Alright, so now I'm going to apply the gel. So I'm hoping that this gel will elongate my curls and that I won't have too much shrinkage. course, I have to comb it through with my wide tooth comb. I think detangling is what really gives you great definition. So I always use some type of comb, preferably wide tooth, just because the thinner the comb, the more hair you lose. But yeah, that's just my personal preference. Alright, so my curls are clumping together really well so far, so we'll see if it stays as my hair dries.
Hoping you understand that I'm selfish with my time, I need a minute. When you love to hit my phone, cause I hear the ringtone. In the background it's going. Used to love me, yeah I know. I would take a flight out there and we'll go. Baby, you know my time been crazy. I go crazy for you. Yeah, girl, I need you to be strong for me, but to be stronger for you. When you hit my line, I never decline. I pick up, it go, yeah. I know you're sad that I've been gone. Give me a call, I'll show you what I have been on. Hit my phone, gotta go. Know you love to hit my phone, especially when I'm in my zone. Hanging up, gotta go. Know you love to hit my phone, tryna see what I'm on. Love you, baby, don't trip. I don't wanna be on phones, I need my digits. Hoping you understand that I'm selfish with my time, I need a minute. No, she love to hit my phone, especially when she be alone. No, she know I'm in my zone. No, she love to hit my phone. Let her hit me, talk to her, try and tell what nigga been on. Hit my phone, gotta go. Know you love to hit my phone, especially when I'm in my zone. Hanging up, gotta go. Know you love to hit my phone, tryna see what I'm on. Love you, baby, don't trip. I don't wanna be on phones, I need my digits. Hoping you understand that I'm selfish with my time, I need a minute. When you love to hit my phone, cause I hear the ringtone. In the background it's going. Used to love me, yeah I know. I would take a flight out there and we'll go. Baby, you know my time been crazy. I go crazy for you. Yeah, girl, I need you to be strong for me, but to be stronger for you. When you hit my line, I never decline. I pick up, it go, yeah. I know you're sad that I've been gone. Give me a call, I'll show you what I have been on. Hit my phone, gotta go. Know you love to hit my phone, especially when I'm in my zone. Hanging up, gotta go. Know you love to hit my phone, tryna see what I'm on. Love you, baby, don't trip. I don't wanna be on phones, I need my digits. Hoping you understand that I'm selfish with my time, I need a minute. No, she love to hit my phone, especially when she be alone. No, she know I'm in my zone. No, she love to hit my phone. Let her hit me, talk to her, try and tell what nigga been on. Hit my phone, gotta go. Know you love to hit my phone, especially when I'm in my zone. Hanging up, gotta go. Know you love to hit my phone, tryna see what I'm on. Love you, baby, don't trip. I don't wanna be on phones, I need my digits. In the background it's going. Oh, used to love me, yeah, I know. I would take a flight out there and we'll go. Baby, you know my time been crazy. I go crazy for you. Yeah, girl, I need you to be strong for me, but to be stronger for you. When you hit my line, I never decline. I pick up, yeah. I know you're sad that I've been gone. Give me a call, I'll show you what I have been on. Hit my phone, gotta go. Know you love to hit my phone, especially when I'm in my zone. Hanging up, gotta go. Know you love to hit my phone, tryna see what I'm on. Love you, baby, don't trip. I don't wanna be on phones, I need my digits. Hoping you understand that I'm selfish with my time, I need a minute. No, she love to hit my phone, especially when she be alone. No, she know I'm in my zone. No, she love to hit my phone. Let it hit me, talk to her, try and tell her what Nick been on. Hit my phone, gotta go. Know you love to hit my phone, especially when I'm in my zone. Hanging up, gotta go. Know you love to hit my phone, tryna see what I'm on. Love you, baby, don't trip. I don't wanna be on phones, I need my digits. Hoping you understand that I'm selfish with my time, I need a minute. Know you love to hit my phone, cause I hear a ringtone. In the background it's going. Oh, used to love me, yeah, I know. I would take a flight out there and we'll go. Baby, you know my time been crazy. I go crazy for you. Yeah, girl, I need you to...
Okay, so this gel got me looking like I got some Remy body wave, Brazilian body wave going on. Once my hair dries, I will come back and show you guys the dry results. But the wet results are looking bomb. So if it dries just like this, we might have found a new gel, y'all. We might have found a new gel.
Hanging up, gotta go. Know you let it hit my phone, tryna see what I'm on.